Okay, here we go. I'm going to open an app, iMovie. Okay, now I'm going to start a new movie. And I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to find this little short clip. Create movie. It created a movie. I don't want this picture on here. I accidentally clicked on it. Here's my movie. Now, I think I'm going to duplicate it. So I highlight it. Up here on the top, the top portion is my video. If I hit play, it plays my video. There it goes. It's playing it. It's too short, so I'm going to click on it. And down here, I'm going to click on duplicate. So now I have two of them, and I can duplicate that again if I want three. But I think what I'm going to do now is, in order to put a title, I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to hit the title button. And here's a standard title. If I click up here, I can type in text. On iMovie, it all comes out in white. Hey. Edit. Editing. There we go. Done. So when I play it, boom. Notice how it says your text here. So I'll click on that, on the bottom one. And I can add something else. Mr. Franklin. There I am. Done. So now I've added a title. Yeah. Now all I need to do is add sound. So I'm going to put the plus button. Plus. I can do a voiceover over. Okay. Hello, here's my voice. Oh. Hello, here's my voiceover. It's real short. Now, I can also add, I can accept it, and then I can add audio, and then there's some soundtracks, so I can add one of those, listen to those. There's sound effects. Let's do a boing. There we go. We'll add that. Okay, I know it's silly. I can also trim that. It's silly, but that's how you can do all that. And then I can click done. I can always go back and edit it. I can retitle it. 32 BIRD. Oops. IE space 2. Ooh, it says Burfy. Birdie. DIE space. Done. Okay, now all I have to do is export it. I click the export button, and I can just click save video. I think I'm going to make this a 720 HD. Doesn't need that be a great. And I'm done. I can find it in my... Hello, here's my voiceover.